Anyway, WeWork signaling a delay, not for me, but for the swing set, I think, really. Signaling a delay to its much-awaited initial public offering, saying it now expects to complete the listing by the end of this year. Leslie Picker joins us now with more. Not necessarily a news flash for us, I guess. At this point, you go from 47 to like 4 billion. It's like something's amiss here.
Yeah, I think a lot of people will be waking up this morning saying, we saw this coming. But WeWork is now, we wait. A source saying the IPO is on ice for now with no set plans. Until we won't.
Until we can't. Right.
Until we go away. I don't know what happens. To launch a roadshow to market shares to investors. WeWork saying in a statement that it expects the deal to be completed, though, by the end of the year, guys. The delay comes after WeWork's parent company scrambled to appease investors, making a series of corporate governance changes and slashing the valuation it planned to use in a debut. But the investor demand was still tough to come by, and the company was having a hard time committing to an IPO plan, sources say. SoftBank is WeWork's largest investor, and they had been pushing for a delay, a separate source had said, but SoftBank also had been considering buying up a large portion of the IPO to limit the company's need to sell shares elsewhere. Still, it's unclear exactly what the delay accomplishes. WeWork was banking on $3 billion in equity from the IPO, plus a contingent $6 billion credit facility. That's cash it needs to fund operations and expand its business. Few believe that much will change in the next few months that would allow WeWork to boost its valuation beyond that kind of $15 billion range it had been discussing with investors. And the risk is that the market conditions could turn and investors would bulk even more at a money-losing company with a business model that hasn't yet been tested in a recession before, guys.